In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and text to banners in Squarespace. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate and customize your Squarespace site effortlessly, making your banners visually captivating and aligned perfectly with your brand's aesthetic. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the editing tools that we'll be using. Once you're in, go to the page you want to edit. Whether it's your homepage or another section of your site, locate the area you want to enhance with a banner image. You'll then want to click on the background of the section you're working on. This action is vital because it allows you to add a personalized image that will serve as the backdrop for your text and designs. When you click on the background, you will see the option to select an image. Click on Select Image and upload the file you wish to use from your computer. Make sure the image you choose not only represents the message or style of your business, but also is of high quality to ensure your site maintains a professional appearance. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to turn your focus to integrating text over your banner image. This feature is incredibly useful for delivering important messages or reinforcing your brand's identity. Squarespace makes positioning your text straightforward. Simply click on the text box and adjust it to your liking. Experiment with font sizes, colors, and styles to ensure your text is not only readable, but also complements the image you've chosen. This is your chance to think creatively about how your wording can engage your audience directly when they land on your page. If you feel like going beyond simply adding text, Squarespace allows you to take things a step further with design elements. You can click on Site Styles to delve into a broader variety of customization options. Here, you can modify other aspects like color palettes, spacing, and even hover effects. These tools are valuable in making sure every element of your page aligns well with your overall business theme. Don't hesitate to try different combinations until you find what truly resonates with you and your viewers. Once you've adjusted all the elements to your satisfaction and you're pleased with the overall look, remember to save your work. Click Save to ensure that all of your modifications are securely stored and visible on your site. Taking the time to save your changes regularly is essential in preventing any loss of progress. Now you're all set, with a personalized and stunning banner that will leave a lasting impression on your visitors. Thank you for watching.